In the video you will see a house that we grew up in, very neglected, and we recently decided to fix up. It's been standing closed for many years, and as you can see in the pictures, a lot of the stuff has been already taken down, and so that we can see the amount of damage that was caused to leaking and other problems in the house. Follow me for the next couple of months as we fix up the house and the surprises that follow with it, as you'll see the neglect and the final result as we finish it off. Follow me in the next couple of episodes in Project Westcoast, and leave a comment and follow.